History and chronological development of Paisajya Kalpana. It has a not a separate branch and it is a detail of pharmaceutic are found scattered in many places. Up to the 7th century, herbal were used as a medicines. Later period, incisions of metals and minerals as a medicines. First Vedic period has a present Rigved and Atharvaved, which quote the many herbs, their ratios, application in various elements. Pesajyani, curing to disease, Ayushyani, attain longevity to health. Term Soma, Rasa, Sura, Madhya, Udan, it is a Ahar Kalpana. Sahita Charak, period. Detailed explanations of Panchvid Kasai Kalpana, different type of Sandhan Kalpana, dietary preparations, Rasayan Kalpana, Chuna, Avle and Siddhagrita, Guda, Yusa and Tela. Ayaskrita, Kshar Kalpana, Siddhisthan, 6th chapter, Qualities of Idol Drug. Third Susrut, 6 Kasai Kalpana, Kshira, Churna, Kalpana. Similar to Kermost aspect of Pesajya Kalpana is covered. Special emphasis on Kshar and also the used in a Vran. Fourth, Vagbhata, similar to Charak and Susruta, explained in a Kalpasthana. Sarangdar Sahita, 4th century, author of Sarangdar Misra, 3rd part and 32 chapter present. Purvakhand is a explained मान परिभाषाज पैसज्ञानक अध्याय नाड़ी परीक्षा विद्याध्याय फोर्थ दीपनीय पंचनाध्याय 5 कालादिक अध्याय 6 आहारदिगतिर अध्याय मध्यम खंड स्वरस कल्पना अध्याय क्वात कल्पना अध्याय फंट कल्पना अध्याय हिम कल्पना अध्याय कल्क कल्पना अध्याय चूर्ण कल्पना अध्याय गुटिका कल्पना अध्याय अवलेय कल्पना अध्याय स्नेह कल्पना अध्याय संधान कल्पना अध्याय धातु शोधन पुराणीय अध्याय it is a madhyam khand. After last is a उत्तरखंड फर्स्ट स्नेह अध्याय स्वेदो अध्याय वमन विधि अध्याय विरेचन विधि अध्याय बस्ती विधि अध्याय निरोबस्ती अध्याय सेवन नस्य धूपन अध्याय उत्तर बस्ती अध्याय धूपन अध्याय गंडूस अध्याय प्रतिसारी गंडूस कवल प्रतिसारीय आहार अध्याय प्रलेपन अध्याय शोणित्य विसर्जनीय अध्याय नेत्र प्रसादन अध्याय Sarasda Sahita it is a first author to give general principle of different kalpana and systematic and collective manner, and it is a explained dedicated chapter for each kalpana, definition, procedure, dose, anupan, and various example. Pesajya Ratnavali. First maintained Murchid Saskar of the Greet and Tel is explained, no new dosage form, but it is added new formulations. Dedicated section as a Anubhuti Yoga, disease wise classification of medicines, 18th century, author of Acharya Govindas is a Vesajya Ratnavali. 7th, Yoga Ratnakara, similar to Charak Sahita and has give more importance to Pathya Kalpana and Post Sahita, new dosage form like Sarbata, Panaka, Malhara, Arkas were included. Modern machineries, use of preservations and GMP.